Welcome to the 2020 Founders Award ceremony. I am your host, and I will be presenting the award for the foundation of the field of modern dentistry. There are many great candidates to choose from, but one stands out from the rest in terms of his innovations, contributions, someone who helped take dentistry to the modern era, and that is Pierre Fauchard. Fauchard got an early start on his career path, beginning his dental career at the age of 15 when he trained as a surgeon in the French Navy. He enjoyed learning about diseases of the mouth and had first-hand exposure with many Navy sailors contracting scurvy, which causes breakdown of the gums and teeth. Fauchard contributed greatly to the dental profession when he published his book, The Surgeon Dentist, in 1723, which detailed dental diseases, treatments, instruments, and almost every aspect of dentistry known during the time. His book was revolutionary, as very little dental information was available to the public, and his publication helped bring modern dentistry to the world. Fauchard was instrumental in transitioning dentistry from a wildly unregulated profession to a respectable scientific discipline. We will now hear from a couple guests giving tribute to Fauchard. First, please welcome Philippe Hiquet.
I'm honored to speak on the accolades of Dr. Fauchard, and I truly feel that he has had the largest impact on the field of dentistry of any person in all of history. As a doctor, professor of medicine, and the dean of the Faculty of Medicine of Paris, I have seen many bright minds in the healthcare profession. I can also say that I have never met a man more passionate about understanding diseases of the mouth, or one as well studied on the matter. Fauchard asked me to review his book, The Surgeon Dentist, before it was published, and I was blown away with the sheer amount of material that he had learned and wrote about. I found that his book did not only lay out diseases of the teeth and procedures for their repair, but it laid out a method derived from study and experience that no one other than Fauchard could have put together. I do consider his book to be a masterpiece unparalleled to this day. In it, he outlines 103 dental diseases, many new dental instruments, new procedures such as orthodontics and prosthetics. He even includes guidelines for interacting with patients, such as seating patients in chairs instead of the common practice of seating them on the floor. His book contained a summary of most dental knowledge at the time, as well as much new material. He also included over 20 pages of drawings of dental tools, anatomy, and appliances. Fauchard is also known for discrediting the toothworm theory, in which people thought that worms were responsible for burrowing into the tooth and causing decay. Thanks to the microscopes and understanding of bacteria by Antony van Leeuwenhoek, Fauchard was able to identify the source of decay coming from bacteria and was one of the first to use the term caries to describe dental decay. For his book alone, Fauchard deserves this award, but on top of this, he constantly innovated the dental practice and shared it through his writings, as well as provided excellent care for all his patients. This award is well earned, and I could not think of anyone more deserving of it. Congratulations, Dr. Fauchard.
Thank you, Dr. Hiquet, for your kind words. Now, a word from the founder of the first dental school, Dr. Chapin Harris.
You may be wondering why I'm looking so serious. Well, it's because I am serious. Serious about Dr. Pierre Fauchard and his major contributions to dentistry. I am honored to speak on Fauchard, and I can attest to the incredible leap forward that Fauchard gave to the dental field. As the founder of the first recognized dental school located in Baltimore, I am so grateful for the foundation that Fauchard laid for the world of dentistry. From a standpoint of dental education, extremely little information was prevalent about teeth and taking care of them before Fauchard. The information that we have today is largely due to Fauchard creating what can be called the very first dental textbook, which is The Surgeon Dentist. Fauchard changed the focus of dentistry from pulling painful teeth to restoring teeth, and was able to understand problems of the mouth due to his holistic approach, looking at how the whole body interacts with the mouth. Fauchard is also known for inventing modern orthodontics with revolutionary early forms of braces along with implants, bridges, and dentures. I would not be where I am today had it not been for Fauchard and his tremendous work and great contributions. Furthermore, I consider Fauchard to be a pioneer of the field of dentistry given the primitive conditions of practices in his day. Considering the circumstances under which he lived, Fauchard deserved to be greatly honored as a noble pioneer and a sure founder of dental science. Thank you.
Thank you. And now a word from the man, the myth, the legend, Dr. Pierre Fauchard.
Thank you, you are too kind. I am honored to receive this award. I have dedicated my entire life to the field of dentistry, and I am so glad that I did. I would like to thank Hackett and Harris for the nice, kind words, as well as my mentor, Alexander Potelore, and everyone else who supported me throughout the years. I am happy that I was able to bring my knowledge of dentistry to the masses. I felt that something needed to be written about dentistry to sum up best practices and give dentists a sort of guidebook to follow. I could not just accept the largely unknown field of dentistry before my work. There was little known about oral diseases, and although some dentists performed good work, many dentists were untrained tooth pullers who did little more than remove painful teeth, and didn't always do a good job of that. I had so many patients that came in to see me with poorly done work by charlatans. Once a patient came in with a sore tooth, and after exploring the source of the pain, I realized the tooth puller had pounded the tooth up into the patient's sinus and an infection arose. I was appalled at these all too often cases, and I wanted everyone to be able to inform themselves and others of dentistry, which was largely my inspiration to write The Surgeon Dentiste. Prior to my book, dental literature was almost non-existent. I spent tireless nights devising new ways of restoring teeth and crafting new instruments. I am glad that my efforts paved the way for new aspiring dentists to pick up the craft, and I hope that people continue to perfect the craft that I helped turn into a scientific field. Thank you.
Well, there you have it, folks. Some fine speeches from these renowned men in the field of dentistry. It has been a great award ceremony, and we hope to see you again next year.